Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Junk Journal with Me video. Today's journaling session is in my new journal. This is the first page I'm doing in this journal, so that's really exciting. And in today's journaling session, I'm also using the Journal with Me kit for July. So I'm just giving you a quick look at the pages that come in the July kit. So for those that may not know, this is just a little digital kit that I release once every month, and you get a really nice variety of ephemera to use, patterned papers, envelopes and stuff like that to use in your own journaling. So as always, there's a full-sized envelope, there are 2 full-sized patterned pages, and then there are 3 pages of cut apart, so they can be labels, washi strips, frames, photo frames, linens, little envelopes and pockets and things like that. So this is the July kit, and I'm going to be having a play with that today. I'm also going to include this little photo spinner in today's journaling session, and if you want to know how I made that, check out the previous video on my channel. I'll also leave a link as well, but it's really easy to make and it's just a really cute little interactive element that you can add to your journaling. So for me, I made my spinner all about one day that I spent with my daughter. So we went to the park, we got some drinks and she got a donut and stuff, and so all of the photos are from that same day, and that's what I'm going to be journaling about today. So here you can see I've cut out all of the pieces from the July kit. I'm just giving you a quick little look at those, and now I'm just going to get started with my journaling. So first of all, I'm just taking the spinner and I decided to attach it to this little book page in my journal. It fit really well within the sort of border of that page. So I just stapled that straight down onto the page. From the day we spent at the park, as I said, she got a donut, so I had this little paper bag from the day. The bottom of the bag was a little bit soiled though, so what I did was I just sewed a line across the top of the bag and cut off the bottom part, which was a little bit soiled, with donut icing, and then that just gives me like a little mini pocket made out of the paper bag. So I'm going to include that somewhere on the page as well. And then I'm just playing around with a few pieces from the July kit. So I really liked the way this blue monthly plan prompted card went with this background paper, and this cute little, it's sort of like a journal card title piece with a cute little illustration of a house. I liked how that looked with everything as well, so I'm just playing around with how I can fit everything onto the pages. And then on the back side of the little book page, I'm just choosing which linen or frame I want to use to cover up the text on that page. I'm also playing around with the envelope from the kit. And just a little side note, I do have a sale in my Etsy shop right now. So everything in my shop except for this new kit is 20% off. So if you've had your eye on anything, now's a really good time to grab it at 20% off. You could try one of the previous Journal with Me kits to see if you like it. But yes, now that I've kind of worked out how I want everything to sit, I'm just going ahead and sticking things down. And today I'm using a glue stick and also some double-sided tape to attach everything. I decided to add in a little card from, I think the collection's called Magical Forest. I don't know if that's right. That doesn't sound right, but that little bunny card is from that, and I'm going to use that to do some journaling on the back. And then this is the frame I decided for the back side of that book page. So that frame you could use for photos, you could stick some kind of ephemera inside it, or you could just do some journaling, which is what I'm going to do. You could also cut out the middle section that's white, and you could just use the frame, like a photo frame if you wanted to. And here I'm just adding a couple of little elements from the kit across the page. So I added the little phrase card along the top of the page, and then I'm just stapling this cute little boy on the side here beside the photos. And here you can see how that spinner works. I love how that turned out, and I really look forward to experimenting with different sizes of those. So then I just went ahead and added some written journaling, added the dates, just journaled anywhere that I left myself room to do so. And that was pretty much it. Just a really, really simple first page in my journal. This was really fun to break in the journal and get started journaling here and kind of get a feel for the sort of vibe that I want it to have. I'm of course doing my usual style, but I guess just being a little bit selective about what I put in here and just enjoying making the pages look really pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little journaling session. I hope you're all doing really well, and I will see you again really soon in my next video.